Okay, kiddos, thanks for joining. Today, we're going to talk about the boomerang. Now, there's a few different ways to do this trick. The true boomerang, in my opinion, is extremely difficult. So really what I'm showing you today is the flail boomerang. But basically, in a sense, it's a decade without your front wheel ever coming off the ground. You're going to be trying to go from the rear pegs, kick your leg around to have momentum up over the bars, and then you're going to spot your pedal right away. Okay guys, notice I swing my leg out in front of me and around over the back wheel, tapping my brakes, getting my weight up over the stem or the front end of the bike, spot my pedal, and then swing my left leg around and over the seat and pedal away. So again, slow speed, kick, tap the brakes, weight up over the bars, release the brakes, spot my landing, continue pivoting around, and pedal away. Okay, we believe that this trick is called the boomerang because you're riding your bike, you throw the trick, and you return to riding your bike. Much like throwing a boomerang, it comes back to you. Now, Chris Day gets some credit for inventing the boomerang, though the general consensus is this trick is much older than Chris Day inventing it and probably has roots from artistic cycling. Also, Kevin Jones would have called a really hung-on-to boomerang a hang glider, though most people think of a hang glider as being a double or more. Thanks, guys. Stay safe.